On this video, we are going to be looking at how to set up bull spread using puts with the TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. So I'm now in my account on my iPad, and I'm going to use Apple as an example. Now on the menu right underneath the price, you'll see chart, news, options, portfolio profile. I choose options, and like on the other videos, I'm going to use the example of April the 3rd. Now notice on the left hand side you have the call options, on the right hand side you have the put options. Now this is a bull spread using puts, meaning that it is a credit vertical spread, and we're going to be using puts. Now in the example in the previous video we looked at 235, and now notice on the put side we're going to be writing this. So we're going to be writing a naked put to begin with at 235. The bid price is 535, and I'm going to tap on it. Now we have the order editor, and on the left hand side you see Apple, and then the specific option, and then you see April the 3rd, 2020, 235 is the strike price, P for put, 100 shares, it's a weekly. Now let's change that number of contracts. I want to do only one, and notice how this time it says sell. This is the same as writing a naked put. Now we're going to add an option leg. Actually, let's just say done. Now notice, because we are writing a naked put, the cost of trade is negative, which means we're getting this money, and if we just do this as a naked put, we would actually get $534. But from the third week, you know how dangerous this is, and we have a potentially tremendous amount of loss, and therefore we need to protect ourselves. And that is the idea behind a credit put spread, or vertical credit put spread. The naked put is the moneymaker. However, it comes with a significant potential for loss. So we are going to buy ourselves an insurance. So add an option leg. Notice that we now have one of the legs already, April the 3rd, 2020, 100 shares at a weekly, and we are doing a 235 put, and notice -1, that means we are writing one. And then we're going to buy ourselves at, the example that I had was to protect ourselves at 215. So what we're going to do is we're going to buy an insurance that is 215 put option, ask price is 205. I'm going to tap on that. Now notice the second leg is up. We are writing it at 235 and we're buying it at 215. Tap on done. Now notice we were at $535 collecting, but now our collecting amount is $350. We lost about $200, and it is almost literally buying an insurance. So anything below 235 we lose. However, we don't want to lose everything, and therefore we buy ourselves a protection below 215. Now if, as expected, Apple goes up, because don't forget the name of the trade is bull spread using puts, we still have an expectation that the price is going to go up, or at least it's not going to go down, and therefore this time instead of the calls we are actually writing a put thinking it won't go down. And however, if it does, then we don't want to lose a whole lot. We're still taking a significant risk. However, we actually protect ourselves at 215 for further loss. Now notice on the pink shaded area it says sell, because we are doing this for credit and we are selling an option spread. Tap on paper trade, confirm, and then it will go, and that's about it. And the rest is on the other video. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.